Hey, my name's Cam, and I'm a certified personal trainer here at Best Buy. Today, I'm excited to unbox the AliveCor KardiaMobile 6-lead personal EKG monitor. We're going to talk about a few of my favorite features, which include what this device is, what data it will track, and the Kardia app. Let's get into it. So as we get started here, comes with a quick start guide. Set that to the side. And then here it is, not a lot to it. It's really small, but you'll be surprised with how much data that it will track. The first feature that I'd love to share with you is what is this product? So this is an FDA cleared 6-lead personal EKG monitor. So I'm easily able to track my heart rhythm. Now 6 leads means that more heart data is being tracked and I'm easily able to share those results with my healthcare provider. The second feature I'd like to share with you is what type of data this will show. Now this will track any type of heart arrhythmias I might have, including atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, and also tachycardia. I'm able to see these results through the Kardia app. The third and final feature is the Kardia app. The Kardia app gives me deep insights on my heart health, and I'm able to use the app to share my results with my healthcare provider. The Kardia app is free in the App Store, and there are monthly paid subscription options to get even more in-depth insights on your heart health. And I really love how easy it is to use this personal EKG monitor. So in order to use this product, you'll open the Kardia app and tap Record Your EKG. You can choose KardiaMobile 6-lead, select the 6-lead option, and then when you're ready, hold the EKG device with your thumbs touching the top 2 electrodes. There's no need to squeeze down or press down firmly. Make sure the device is in the correct orientation with the AliveCor A facing you. With your thumbs resting on the top 2 electrodes, place the EKG device on the bare skin of your left leg, on your knee, or on the inside of your ankle. The bottom electrode should contact the skin. Hold still as you watch the timer count down from 30 seconds until your EKG recording is complete. Well, that's it. Thanks for unboxing the KardiaMobile personal EKG monitor with me. My name's Cam, a certified personal trainer here at Best Buy. If you want to learn more about this product, click the link below and connect with a fitness expert like me. We'll see you on the next one.